traveling from India. So if you have a layover in Bangkok because there's no direct flights to Laos, then do select as India only.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Laos has finally streamlined its immigration process for all the international travelers, including Indian passport holders. Now, before I begin this video, guys, last time when I made the video about Laos, there was a lot of correction in my grammar saying that it's not Laos, it's called Laos and all this stuff. I'll continue to call this as Laos because this is not a grammar or English speaking competition. I want to give information regarding the immigration rules, and that is what I'm going to stick on. So, like Malaysia with MDAC, Thailand with TDAC, and also Philippines and Indonesia, finally Laos has started something called as the Laos Digital Immigration Form, that is LDIF. They have not named it as Digital Arrival Card like other countries have, but they're calling it as Laos Digital Immigration Form, that is LDIF. Now in this video, I'll show you exactly step by step how to fill that form. You need to fill this mandatory from September 1st before going to Laos, and it is valid, like you have to fill this form before 72 hours of arrival in Laos. So for example, if you're traveling on September 5th, you will have to fill this form today, that is September 2nd, so that it is 72 hours before your travel. Now there was a lot of controversy with Indian passport holders landing in Laos and they demanding a lot of US dollars, like 2,000 to 5,000 or even 10,000 US dollars in some cases. I've seen the videos of many YouTubers. So this will help really streamline the process. No physical documentation, everything is via this digital immigration form, and you will get a QR code basically upon filling this. Don't worry, I'll show this end to end whatever is the process. But before that, as you can see on my screen, 98% of you who are regularly watching my content, guys, are non-subscribers. Please hit that subscribe button and support my channel, because this is how you show your support and me getting the latest information for you. Subscriber count heavily matters for a small creator like me. So without wasting any time, let's go to my screen, see the form, how to fill this step-by-step process on how to fill this form, and then come back.
Hey guys, I hope you can see my screen. So I'll just click on the first link, go to Google and type Laos immigration card and immigration arrival register. Just select this, guys. And once you do this, I'll just go on, fill my details. Entry checkpoint will be Luang Prabang. Arrival date 72 hours before your arrival. So I'll fill it as September 5th. Enter family name. Enter whatever details given in your passport, guys. And now I'm just submitting dummy details here. And then gender would be male. Date of birth would be 04/04/1992. Yeah. And place of birth would be Bengaluru. And nationality would be India. And occupation would be software engineer. Country of origin would be India. Phone number, passport number would be K405393. And date of issue is, I'll just select 22/7 September. And then expiry, I'll select it as 6th September 32. And then place of issue is Bengaluru. Now I'll just upload these details, guys. I'll kind of disclose this a bit. And then I'm just submitting this back again. Yeah, and the purpose, very important. I'll select as tourism and then traveling by flight, and I'll just enter a dummy flight number KG123 and traveling from India. So if you have a layover in Bangkok because there's no direct flights to Laos, then do select as India only because it's on the same PNR number. Traveling by group tour, no. So I'll continue. And here, Indians need an e-visa for Laos. That is a known fact. So I don't have an e-visa number, guys. This is for demo purpose. So I'll select as exempt visa and click on confirm. But you guys, when you apply e-visa, kindly post your e-visa image and all the details properly and confirm. And then additional info, I'm just going to select one dummy hotel. Now I've got a Sainam Khan Riverview is what the hotel name is. So I'm just going to give this, and then district, all province, and everything. I'm going to fill the same details basically, guys. And then check-in would be on 5th of September. Checkout would be on 9th of September. Now, obviously, I'm not going to confirm it because if I confirm, then my application will be submitted. But however, I have got a sample for you, and once you submit, you will get information like this: immigration verification code and checkpoint Luang Prabang International Airport expected arrival date and passport number. You will get this information, guys. Basically, you'll have to take this QR code with you, take a printout, and then scan this QR code, and you are pretty much done there.
So as you saw the form, guys, it's a very simple form. Just carry this QR code, carry the hotel bookings, carry the return or onward ticket, and your process is completely streamlined. You will not have any problems with respect to this in Laos. It is completely okay because they've streamlined the process now. They don't have any requirement of any dollars to be carried or anything to be shown in this immigration form, and immigration form acts as an intermediate between us travelers and the country, in this case is Laos. So I hope this information, very quick video, guys. I hope this information was very helpful to you guys. If you have a plan to go to Laos, kindly fill this immigration form and then travel. One small tip I want to tell you and then close this video is, if you're going from let's say Bangalore to Bangkok, Bangkok to Luang Prabang in Laos, then your country of origin will be India, not Thailand. Please remember this, because you're traveling on a same PNR. If you're traveling on a different PNR, then your country of origin will be Thailand. Please remember this. It depends on the same PNR or different PNR. However, I'll close this video here, guys. I hope this information is very informative. I'll catch you guys in my next video.